Mama dahadanne yanne hot and spicy chili garlic chicken. And first thing first, let's get started. Right, isalama chicken tika api me strips kapa gamu. මේ size pieces කපා ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් මේ ඇවිල්ලා මේ chicken thighs 1 kilo of chicken thighs. Right, strips done. 4 garlic cloves. Let me try this way. Let me put it this. And 50 grams of ginger, little piece. Let's bash it up. Right, let's pour it in. Ginger garlic paste. Boom. 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Okay, right, 1 teaspoon of plain flour. Okay, it's done. Right, half teaspoons of turmeric to add the color, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Right, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Just a bit of put as gently, a bit more. Right, this is the secret ingredients. Right, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix it well. මේ ටික විතරක් mix කරගමු ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ මොකද eggs add කරන්න තියෙනවා තව. හොඳට මේ ටික mix වුණාට පස්සේ then we can add eggs. Beat. Let's pour it all over the chicken. This is really important. Right, let's mix well. Right, this is the consistency we need. Wow, it's nice. ඔයගලන්ට වතුරත් ඇඩ් කරගන්න පුළුවන් මේ මේකේ consistency එක එනකන්. මම හිතන්නේ මේක තමයි නියම ගාන. Wow, look at that. Brilliant. Let's fry this bad boys up. Pan on, medium heat, oil in. Right. So, මේ වගේ හොඳට golden color වුණාට පස්සේ හොඳට ගන්න. බාගන්න දෙන්න. So take it out when it's golden color like this. Whoa, smells good. Smell is brilliant. Smells nice. Let's make the sauce. 2 teaspoons of corn flour and just a little bit of water. Just mix well. Two teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Right, mix it well. Right, let's put the pan in. 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's put the bell pepper now. Time to add our mixture. Oh, look at the color. The sauce gets thick and thick. Alright, let's add the bad boys now. Let's mix well. Make sure you switch off the mix well. At the end, you just scattered the spring onions to the plate. Wow, I can smell garlic and pepper and all spring onions. Wow, look at this, guys. Make sure you guys make this at home. Let's add a bit of sesame seeds. Whoa, that's it. It's done. There you have it, guys. Hot and spicy chili garlic chicken. I can't wait to try it. Ooh, let me try this. The garlic paste, pepper, and the spring onions taste. Whoa, brilliant. Make sure you guys make this try at home. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share with all your friends.